Before installation, please ensure printer is connected and turned on. Follow the installation steps until finish. Print test page. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click on your printer. Select Printer Properties. Print test page to check the printer. Set as default printer. Right-click on your printer. Select Printing Preferences. Go to Page Setup. Select the paper size and paper name. If the size you need is not listed, you can click New to create a label size. Input width and height and change name, then click OK to save. Set up a printer. You can go to Option. Change printing speed and print speed. Change the darkness and print density. Change size and size units. Click Adjust the sensor to adjust your printer's sensor, then click Study Gap Label to let your printer learn the gap label. Click Apply and OK. Choose PDF file to print. Click Print. Select your printer. Before click Print, check the preview and print size. Then click Print.